Alright guys, so these are some sound panels that we're just actually using as a little backdrop that my son wanted for his little gaming corner. So this is what it looks like. They do have a print. So I got these actually separate. So there's the white ones and then the black ones are sold separately. And then I do believe that there's some that you can get where you can get it together, the black and the white, but it doesn't have this little print on it. They also do have it just separate to where it's just these little white cubes without that little print on it as well too. But we liked it. We just thought it looked cool. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This little part right here, we did have to cut so that way there's just that little illusion in the corner, which it worked out really well. It was really hard to cut, so just a heads up if you guys have to do that. It is possible, but it kind of, the fuzz does get everywhere, but you can definitely do it. But we just like the way that it looked, especially putting it all together. And then that's another thing too, just creating this pattern. But I think it turned out really great and it looks really cool.